We're excited to drill 2 new wells on campus at University of Victoria. These wells will be used for both research and teaching. For research, we hope to figure out how the groundwater flows at different levels below the ground. We're standing on the edge of Mystic Vale, so there's a big creek right beside us here, and we're hoping to understand how groundwater contributes to that creek or not. And we're drilling 2 wells, one into a relatively great depth into bedrock. We've just drilled down to 330 feet or 100 meters, and we found this mostly green-gray rock. And now we're going to drill a second well to about 100 feet, and that's going to be at the same depth as the 2 other wells, which are just off over there. And then together we'll have 4 wells that we can use for research and then also for teaching. And for teaching, students will be able to come here, take water level measurements, we'll do pumping tests and see the interactions between the different types of aquifers, and they'll be able to learn these practical skills that they can use in their co-ops, in their careers, and in the future.
Yeah, so this project is important to me as a student because it will help me advance in my future career, and it's very interesting in seeing how a well is drilled. And yeah, so what I've been doing here is grabbing samples every 5 feet, and yeah, doing some observations, doing some water conductivity measurements.
So these water wells are exciting from the perspective of the School of Earth and Ocean Sciences because these add to an existing network of shorter wells that were here. These ones, in particular one of these, goes much deeper and will allow students to perform more tests, so it expands our capabilities in our labs for our groundwater course, which will let students do various kinds of testing and pump tests and well tests. The goal being to support the next generation of groundwater scientists that are going to be needed in looking at groundwater issues around the country and especially in BC.